Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play the song All Right Now by the band Free. And I always thought it was Bad Company because they're both basically the same band. So anyway, this is the song All Right Now. If this video helps you out, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it helps us out a lot. All right, so let's get started. So this song is based around an A chord. It goes. So you're gonna bar your A chord. It's gonna second fret from the fourth string, the D string, down, and mute it with your right hand. That second chord is gonna be your second finger on the third fret of the B string. And then your third finger is gonna be over here on the D string on the fourth fret. You're gonna go. Your next chord is going to be, this is a G flat. You're going to lay your first finger on the second fret of the E and the B strings. Your second finger is going to go on the third fret of the G string here. Your ring finger is going to go on the fourth fret of the D, and you're going to slide it up to a G. And then you're going to redo the A and the other chord. So it goes. And he does this different little picking thing when he slides up on those chords. He goes. So if you have a little distortion to it, it's a little louder. You have this open A. It sounds pretty cool. So I'm playing it kind of clear right now, just so you can hear the notes. But it goes. And at the end of the verse, it ends on the A chord here and kind of builds up. Then it slides way down here. It's playing an A bar chord down here, but it's an octave higher. And it goes. So the way I do that is I have my first finger on the 12th fret of the A string, my third finger on the 14th fret of the D string, and I go 1, 1, 2, 3. You reach over here to the E string and you go 12, 14. And that's going to be 10, 12. 10 on the A, 12 on the D. So you go. Then you slide your first finger back one fret and go back to that first chord. Then you go back into the verse. So you go through that one more time, and then it kind of fades out, and there's this little snare drum roll, and it starts out the guitar solo. You just got to really it's got two guitar solos. It's a really nice song. It's got some neat solo stuff here. So the solo starts out like this. So it's not that difficult to play, actually. So you start out, you're on the 10th fret here on the B and the E string. So you're gonna be on the B string, you're gonna go 10, 13. 10 on the E. Then you slide up here to the 15th fret on the B string with your ring finger, and you go. So you bend up on the 15th fret, bend back down on the 15th, then you do a little hammer-on pull-off on the 13th on the B string. And after that, you want to land on the 14th fret of the G string with your middle finger. So you go. And it does it again, just a little different at the end though. So the second time it goes. You're just going to stay between the 15th and the 13th on the B string. You're going to go. And you're going to end on the 15th fret of the E string. So I'll do it one more time from beginning to end. From there, it goes into this kind of neat, sort of a little bass solo thing. And then it goes into the real melodic part of the solo. It goes. So to begin with, you're going to start out on the D string here. You're going to slide from the 5th to the 7th. So you're going to go 7, 9, bend it nice, pull back off to 7. Then you're going to slide up to the 9 on the same, and kind of redo it, but you're going to start out on the 9th fret here. You're going to go. So the next little lick, which you play twice, is you slide up to the 9th fret, slide up to the 9th fret on the G string, the 7th fret on the B string. You're going to hit the G string, you're going to hit the B string while the G string is still ringing. You're going to let it ring. From 7, 10, back to 7, and then 9 on the G again. You do that twice. Then you're going to do the 9th fret on the D string again. You're going to bend it, and you're going to reach over with your pinky and hit the 10th fret on the B string. And as you're bending back, you're going to move back down to the 7th fret. You're going to go. Then you slide up to the 10th fret on the B string and hit that note all by itself and kind of let it ring as best you can. And the next little lick is this. So that's going to be the 9th fret on the G string, 10th fret on the B string. You're going to go 9, 11 on the G string, and then you're going to hit this 10th B string on the 10th fret. Then you're going to hit the 12th fret on the B string. It does that twice. This next lick, it does it 3 times. It stays on that 12th fret of the B string and it just bends it up. 10, 11 on the G, back to the 10 on the B. Good. Does it 3 times. Then it slides down here to the high pitch part. That's going to be, you're going to take your first finger and you're going to bar across the B and the E string on the 17th fret. You're going to go from 17 to 19 on the B string. And you're going to go and hit the 17th fret on the E string. And you'll let that 17th note ring for just a moment. Then you hit the 19th fret on the E string. 17, 19 on the B, back to 17 on the E. So it goes. You do it twice, and at the end of the second time, you're going to reach up and hit your low E string. And from there, it goes back to the chord progression. All right. So that's the song, but that's the chord progressions and the solo. Like I said, the hardest part about the solo is playing it slow enough. I tend to try to go a little fast, and it kind of takes the life out of that solo if you go too fast, because it's a really nice melodic solo. So anyway, I hope you like this video. And if you do, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it helps us out a lot. So thank you and have a great day.